of all you've done, how you gave your only son. Every doubt fades away, and my soul begins to say, when the storms rise all around, still your grace can be found. You are good, you are true, and my heart belongs to you. Your love is my hallelujah, my reason to sing. Your mercy's my melody, my offering to the King. Your love is my hallelujah, my reason to sing. Your mercy's my melody, my offering to the King. Whoa. Yeah. I was broken, lost and weary, couldn't see beyond the pain. Yeah. But my whisper reached the heavens, and you called me by my name. Oh, heaven heard my cry, and you came to my side. Jesus, you answered me with love that won't deny. When my faith was almost gone, you gave me strength to carry on. Yeah. Your grace found me where I lay and turned my night Jesus, you answered me with love that won't deny. Heaven heard my cry, and you came to my side. Jesus, you answered me with love that won't deny. You took my pain and made it praise. You filled my heart with endless grace. Now every song that leaves my lips belongs to you, my King. Jesus, you're the reason I sing, the joy that hope can bring. Every melody I raise is covered in your grace. You're the reason I sing, the joy that hope can bring. Every melody I raise is covered in your grace. When the night surrounds my soul, you're the light that makes me whole. Every heartbeat, every tune brings me closer, Lord, to you. Jesus, you're the reason I sing, the joy that hope can bring. Every melody I raise is covered in your grace. Jesus, you're the reason I sing, the joy that hope can bring. Every melody I raise is covered in your grace. Jesus, you're the reason I sing, the joy that hope can bring. Every melody I raise is covered in your grace. Jesus, you're the reason I sing, the joy that hope can bring. Every melody I raise is covered in your grace. When the night feels long and empty, and the prayers fall to the ground, I still hear your whisper softly, telling me you're still around. Jesus, my heart still believes, even when I cannot see. your mercy lights my day. Jesus, my heart still believes, even when I cannot see. Through the fire, through the rain, your love is holding me. My heart still believes, even when I cannot see. Through the fire, through the rain, your love is holding me. Jesus, my heart still believes. When I see the mountains move and miracles come true, I know it's not my doing, Lord. The glory belongs to you. Glory still belongs to you. For every battle you brought me through, every victory, every view, it all belongs to you. Oh, when the story's said and done, and I stand before your throne, I'll cast my crown before your feet and give you praise alone. Glory still belongs to you. For every battle you brought me through, every victory, every view, it's all belongs the shelter of your mercy, you bring my soul to peace. I found rest in you, Jesus. My heart finally breathes in the shelter of your mercy. You bring my soul to peace. Bring my soul to peace. Bring my soul to peace. Mercy woke me up today. I should have fallen one more time, but grace reached out again. Your mercy stood beside me when I was bound in sin. Mercy woke me up today, held my heart and showed the way. When I thought I lost it all, your mercy made me stay. Mercy woke me up today, held my heart and showed the way. When I thought I lost it all, your mercy made me stay. Your mercy made me stay. Every breath's a gift from you. Every sunrise sings your praise. I'm alive because you're faithful. Your mercy lights my days. Mercy woke me up today, held my heart and showed the way. When I thought I'd lost it all, your mercy made me stay. Mercy woke me up today, held my heart and showed the way. When I thought I'd lost it all, your mercy made me stay. Your mercy You wrap me in your grace. Now I'm standing in forgiveness, forever in your embrace. Your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. Your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. Your love never let me go. It followed me through highs and lows. Even when I walked away, your love refused to fade. Your presence feels like heaven. Your presence feels like heaven. When I lift my hands before you, all the world just fades away. Every burden melts in worship as I call upon your name. Your presence feels like heaven, peace I can't explain. Every moment that I'm near you, I am whole again. Your presence feels like heaven, peace I can't explain. Every moment that I'm near you, I am whole again. Let your glory fill this temple. Let your spirit fall like rain. I am here to be with you, Lord. Forever I'll remain. Your presence feels like heaven, peace I can't explain. Every moment that I'm near you, I am whole again. Your presence feels like heaven, peace I can't explain. Every moment that I'm near you, I am whole again. I was sinking in my sorrow, lost in all my shame. But you reached into my darkness and called me by my name. You pulled me out of the fire, lifted me from the flames. You wrapped me in your mercy. Now I'll never be the same. You pulled me out of the fire, lifted me from the flames. You wrapped me in your mercy. Now I'll never be the same. Turned ashes into beauty. You made broken hearts alive. Now I'm singing of your glory. Jesus, you changed my life. You pulled me out of the fire, lifted me from the flames. You wrapped me in your mercy. Now I'll never be the same. You pulled me out of the fire, lifted me from the flames. You wrapped me in your mercy. Now I'll never be the same. When the waves arise high before me and my courage fades away, I will stand upon your promise, for you calm the wind and rain. The storm obeys your name. Every mountain moves away. Jesus, you still reign. Forever I will say, the storm obeys your name. When my heart begins to tremble and my faith is weak inside, I remember how you're faithful. You will never leave my side. The storm obeys your name. Every mountain moves away. Jesus, you still reign. Forever I will say, the storm obeys your name. Oh. but I kept falling short. Then your love came rushing over, a flood I can't ignore. Only grace could save me, only love could make me new. I was lost and you found me, now my soul belongs to you. Not by works or by my striving, but by mercy undeserved. Now I live to sing your praises, every promise, every word. Only grace could save me, only love could make me new. I was lost and you found me, now my soul belongs to you. When my voice begins to falter and my melody runs dry, you become the sound within me, the reason that I cry. Jesus, you are my song, you're the rhythm of my soul. Every breath, every note, you make my heart whole. Through the valleys and the shadows, your harmony remains. I'll keep singing of your goodness till my last breath proclaim. Jesus, you are my song, you're the rhythm of my soul. Every breath, every note, you make my heart whole. Jesus, you are my song, you're the rhythm of my soul. Every breath, every note, you make my heart whole. At the foot of that old cross, I found a love that never ends. Your blood still cries forgiveness, a voice that calls me friend. The cross still speaks my name. It tells me I'm redeemed, where mercy wrote my story and grace became my theme. Every scar became a promise that you'd never let me go. The cross still whispers softly, my child, I love you so. The cross still speaks my name. It tells me I'm redeemed, where mercy wrote my story and grace became my theme. The cross still speaks my name. It tells me I'm redeemed, where mercy wrote my story and grace became my theme. The cross still speaks my name. It tells me I'm redeemed, where mercy wrote my story and grace became my theme. Oh, oh. The heavens shout your splendor, creation sings your praise. I bow before your presence in awe of all your ways. I kneel before your glory, humbled by your grace. Jesus, you are holy, forever I lift your name. You shine brighter than the sunrise, you reign higher than the stars, and still you love me deeply, right where my heart is scarred. I kneel before your glory, I kneel before lost in shadows cold and gray. Then your light came shining clearly and turned my night to day. Your light broke through my darkness. Your truth set my soul free. Now I stand in your promise. Your glory lives in me. The chains that held me disappeared. The fear I knew was gone. Now I'm living in your presence, forever led by love. Your light broke through my darkness. Your truth set my soul free. Now I stand in your promise. Your glory lives in me. Your light broke through my darkness. Your truth set my soul free. Now I stand in your promise. Your glory lives in me. Your light broke through my darkness. Your truth set my soul free. Now I stand in your promise. Your glory lives in me. Your light broke. Your glory lives in me. Your glory lives in me. Jesus, hold my heart again. Whoa, yeah. I've been running from your peace, carrying my broken dreams, but your hands are still wide open, calling gently back to me. Jesus, hold my heart again. Heal the pieces deep within. I've wandered far, but now I see you've never given up on me. I lay down all my pride and pain. I'm ready to be changed again. Your love restores what life has torn and makes me whole once more. wandered far, but now I see you've never given up on me. Jesus, hold my heart again. Heal the pieces deep within. I've wandered far, but now I see you've never given up on me. I've been running from your peace, carrying my broken dreams, but your hands are still wide open, calling gently back to me. Jesus, hold my heart again. Heal the pieces deep within. I've wandered far, but now I see you've never given up on me. I lay down all my pride and pain. I'm ready to be changed again. Your love restores what life has torn. It makes me whole once more. Jesus, hold my heart again. Heal the pieces deep within. I've wandered far, but now of the night. You are with me in the shadows. You are with me in the light. Every breath is yours, Lord. Every heartbeat too. You gave me life and meaning. I give it back to you. You painted grace upon my soul. You wrote love across my days. So with every breath I'm giving, I'll lift your holy name. Every breath is yours, Lord. Every heartbeat too. You gave me life and meaning. I give it back to you. I'll wait on you, Jesus. When the promise feels so distant and my heart begins to ache, I'll stay still within your presence, for I know you're never late. I'll wait on you, Jesus. Though the night feels long, you are faithful, you are true. You'll come before the dawn. You never failed to guide me right through every tear, through every fight. So I'll hold on through the pain until I see your face again. I'll wait on you, Jesus. Though the night feels long, you are faithful, you are true. You'll come before the dawn. Oh. I'll wait on you, Jesus. Your promises are true. I put my trust in you. You're the anchor in my storm. me endless life. No greater love than yours that gave it all for me. No higher grace, no deeper truth than what you showed on Calvary. No greater love than yours that gave it all for me. No higher grace, no deeper truth than what you showed on Calvary. Yeah, yeah. La, la, yeah. You took my sin, you took my shame. You called me by my name, and now I live in freedom song to honor what you've done. No greater love than yours that gave it all for me. No higher grace, no deeper truth than what you showed on Calvary. No greater love than yours that gave it all for me. No higher grace, no deeper truth than what you showed on Calvary. No greater love, no greater love. No greater love than yours that gave it all for me. No higher grace, no deeper truth than what you showed on Calvary. No greater love than yours that gave it all for me. No higher grace, no deeper truth than what you showed on Calvary. Yeah, you showed on Calvary. You showed on Calvary. Still I will praise you. When the tears fall down like rain, and I don't understand the pain, I lift my hands to heaven's throne. I know I'm not alone. Still I will praise you through the storm, through the flame. Still I will worship, for you never change. before you. Every demon flees away. Healing flows and chains are broken when we speak your holy name. There is power in your name, Jesus, mighty to save. Heaven trembles, hell must flee when your name is over me. Your word silences the thunder. Your voice calms the sea. At the sound of Jesus, every soul finds peace. There is power in your name, Jesus, mighty to save. Heaven trembles, hell must flee when your name is over me. There is power in your name, Jesus, mighty to save. Heaven trembles, hell must flee when your name is over me. When I come before you, Lord, I feel the healing in your touch. All my fears begin to fade. Your love is more than enough. I'm holding your presence, restored by your grace. Jesus, you are my refuge, my hiding place. When the weight of life is heavy, you remind me who I am. You rebuild what's been broken by your gentle hand. I'm holding I knew my brokenness, before I called